guys, it's August 3rd, 2018. This one here, I got a garbage disposal that's not shutting off. They have to shut the power off to shut it off. So it's a batch feed. It's got a switch on it. I did go by and pick up another switch assembly. So I think it's an old style garbage disposal. I'll probably throw another switch in there if they want. Either that or replace the whole thing. We'll have to see when we get there. It's an insinkerator, I believe. So, try to get you some shots when I get there. You got the breaker off. If you turn it on, it's gonna run, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I got a switch for it. So let's change the switch and then we'll try it.
Okay.
I did pick up a switch for it. Do you want to change the switch or you want to change the whole unit?
I don't know. What do you think?
Well, the switch kit's like $100.
Yeah.
But then it'll work. You know, if you want to change the whole garbage disposal,
No.
you're probably talking,
Yeah.
$475 or so for the garbage disposal.
Yeah. It's still good, I think, isn't it?
Yeah. If I put the new switch kit in it, it will work. I mean,
Okay.
we'll do that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's try this.
Well, at least you got your, so the breaker is off, right? Yeah. Kind of a common problem with these things. So you don't miss the college, no?
No, not really.
Well, that's a tough environment. I mean, you got students and all that stuff, so just double check and make sure
Well, it was
no power. All right, it's off.
a lot of people, a lot of people I knew well and have retired too. Some of them moved away. Others have died. Others are sick. Our boys, one lives in Maryland and one lives in,
Oh man, oh. Get that out of there.
He's spent some time visiting.
That should just unscrew out of there, but I don't know. That's usually where it gets stuck, is that little... I can't get that out of there. It's gonna be... Might have to replace it. Oh, out of there. Not easy. It should come out, but I don't know. Just all kind of corroded in there. There it comes. I think. Yeah.
So you've been busy?
Yeah, actually. I don't know, man.
Everybody's busy, I guess, huh?
If it's gonna come out or not. That broke off in there. I can't get it out, so we're gonna have to change it. I'm gonna have to get another one. I can't get it out. Where does it come in there? I got it now. Pain in the ass. I should be able to get that piece out with an easy out. The rest of that piece I gotta get out of there. If I can't get it out, I'm gonna have to change the garbage disposal. Sometimes you just don't know. You try these jobs. Sometimes you can fix them, sometimes you can't. There it is. There's a new kit, a switch, a cover, a wiring. It's got a little spring in there, see it? And that goes in there just like that. This switch seems to be fine. A lot of times it's this part that's bad. Going like that. Just like that. Alright, that should do it. You want to go turn the breaker on?
Okay.
Or do you want me to do it?
No, I'm good.
You know where it is?
Yeah.
Turn it on and we'll try it.
What do you think, Abby? Like a job like that? No. No? I don't know. No?
The keypad off.
Here we go.
Okay, great.
Hey, the man fixed it.
As long as it's not leaking, we're good. It broke off, I had to pull that out.